Hey everyone! Ever wondered what school lunches will look like in the future? Picture this, you're in a high-tech cafeteria with robots serving food and holographic menus. Will kids in the future eat 3D printed pizza or lab-grown burgers? Let's find out! Imagine walking up to a lunch counter and scanning your smartwatch. A screen pops up with your personalized meal plan based on your nutrition needs. Forget one-size-fits-all meals. In the future, AI could analyze your health and create the perfect lunch just for you. Think colorful fruits and protein-packed snacks, all optimized for energy and focus. What about meat, you ask? Well, what if your burger didn't come from a cow but from a lab? Yep, scientists are already growing real meat without harming animals. Healthier, eco-friendly, and just as tasty, lab-grown meat could be the future of school lunches. And for those who prefer plant-based options, get ready for the tastiest plant-based nuggets ever. With all this new food technology, schools might even track what you eat to make sure you stay healthy. Picture a digital dashboard in the cafeteria that suggests a nutrient-packed smoothie just for you. Smart meals will keep you energized, focused, and ready to learn. So what do you think? Would you try a 3D printed snack? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Councilcraft for more cool updates. Thanks for watching.